Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today. I am Salomé and I am a cloud marketing specialist at EPI-USE Labs. And we have with us today our speaker Ludi, CEO of iSphere.
Hi everybody.
And so first, can you tell us a bit about your role at Labs?
I am currently the cloud lead for EPI-USE Lab, and I look after the private and public cloud business for the company worldwide.
And you're also part of iSphere, right? So what is iSphere?
So iSphere is a company I started about 7 years ago, and it is a brand that we primarily use in the South African market. We started the company as a private cloud company and soon changed to be very focused on SAP Cloud and have been the largest HANA cloud provider in Africa for the last few years. We became part of EPI-USE Labs group in 2017, and we are now officially the cloud division within the EPI-USE Labs group worldwide. Our experience is in SAP Cloud, and with the EPI-USE Labs cutting-edge software IP, I believe we offer something very, very unique in the SAP market.
Okay, so you said iSphere has a very distinct focus on SAP for the cloud, but you're also working on other cloud areas, right?
Yes, although we still have a very distinct focus on SAP Cloud, we are now more a bespoke SAP consulting company looking at private and public cloud with a focus on design, migration, implementation, and the management of clients' cloud environments. We also have a lot of experience in non-SAP work-related workloads. Like I've said before, if you can run HANA in the cloud, everything else is pretty simple.
Okay, so can you say what are the advantages compared to another provider?
I would say our major advantage is that we have a vast experience in various SAP landscapes and have really cut our teeth on large SAP environment migrations to the public and private cloud for clients in various industry verticals. We know what to look out for. We know where the pitfalls are when clients are moving to the cloud. Also, because we don't have a vested interest in any cloud, we can provide you with the right solution to the issues that you are trying to address by moving to the cloud. This could be landscape modernization to cost. We are able to provide the right solution wherever required.
So we can say that we create highly customizable services and solutions. So what is the long-term objective behind this range of scenarios to which we respond? What is the long-term objective?
So long-term, the fact that we have our own private cloud in all the major markets around the world places us in a much better position for the future of cloud, which is very much a hybrid model. We see the future of cloud as a mixture of private, public, and even on-premise for certain workloads. Our ultimate aim is to make sure that this is a seamless experience for our clients, no matter what solution they choose.
So why would you recommend private cloud for SAP workloads?
I always say not one cloud fits all your needs, but some cloud solutions are more suited to certain workloads than others. If you are looking at doing app modernization, or you're in an industry like retail, where elastic computing for, let's say, a Black Friday sale is essential, then public cloud is what you should be looking at. SAP is a legacy application and is very much suited to the private cloud. We tend to find that the migration of SAP workloads are significantly simpler to the private cloud, as the platform are generally very similar to what clients already have from an on-premise perspective. These type of workloads are normally just a lift and shift exercise for the movement. Public cloud generally is a SAP migration and a replatforming exercise due to the fact that the technology is so different. Also, our experience in general for public cloud is that it tends to be much more expensive in the long term. So I would say cost would be the #1 reason for looking at private cloud.
Yeah, I agree. Cost and also complexity of the environment is very important, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. And can you maybe talk to us about a customer project you had?
Yes, so as you mentioned, we have various projects in various clouds in multiple verticals as well. We're currently busy with one of the largest banks on the African continent, where we are helping them migrate their SAP workloads onto the public cloud. Also, we've just completed a project for a very large alcohol distribution company, where we've migrated their SAP workloads into our private cloud. And quite soon, we will kick off a project for a very large mining group, where we will be moving their SAP workloads into the private cloud as well. So as you can see, it's a diverse industry vertical experience that we have.
Mm-hmm. Impressive. And what advice would you give to us when looking for a private cloud solution? I think people watching our video today, they want some tips from you.
Well, the same advice I would give you if you were looking for public cloud. What problems are you trying to solve? What are the pain points in your business that you are trying to address, or the challenges that you are facing? Then does the private cloud address those issues and those pain points? I always have to mention that most private cloud solutions in the market can have extensive feature-rich functionality similar to public cloud. Lastly, and probably the most important, I would recommend that you look at a trusted partner that has the experience and knowledge to deliver the solution. Somebody like Labs.
Thank you, Ludi, for your time. Thank you all for joining us today. And so if you have any question, please feel free to reach out to Ludi or one of our cloud team. We'll be very happy to help you. And have a good day. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.